Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can make sub bullet points in Google Docs. So it's pretty simple. First you want to click on the bullet point icon at the top right of your screen and create a bullet point. So I'm going to create 3 bullet points. One's going to be YouTube, other's going to be Twitter, and then Facebook, Instagram. So let's say I want to create a sub bullet point inside YouTube. What I can do is go at the behind of YouTube, like at the end of YouTube, press enter. Now if I do that, it's going to create a bullet. Now to turn this bullet into a sub bullet, you need to click on the tab button which is on your keyboard. The tab button is going to be at the left corner at the top side of your keyboard. Click on press, it's going to be turned into a sub bullet. Now I can write Mr. Beast over here. If I press enter, it's going to create another sub bullet, KSI, Logan, Markiplier, just like this I can keep going. So I hope you understand how you guys can make sub bullet points in Google Doc. If you guys found our video helpful, subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.